Hello and welcome to Digital Vision LLC. Now, I like two things, and I have a passion for two things. I love telling stories, and I love playing with technology. And finally, I found a way of doing both. So what we have here is a movie set. And what Digital Vision LLC does is it wraps the use or the application of technology around the story. Now, for example, I call this the Jungle River Adventure. And this particular set uses the concept or the use of hydraulic technology. Quite basic, but it does what it needs to do. So let me show you. We have over here two Yeti. And our Yeti, using the hydraulic tool, can move forward and back. Nothing too elaborate, but it does what we need it to do. And so the other Yeti will do the same thing, back and forth. Now if you look close enough, you'll see some LEDs back here. Now I can use the Raspberry Pi and create a random use of numbers to make those LEDs go on and off, and I've done that before. So I can still incorporate the Raspberry Pi and that technology for the story. Now initially I've used a servo motor for this Tarzan swing. But I found that the hydraulics make it actually work a bit smoother, a bit better. So I go like this. Now in my story, the Yeti attempt to attack one of our protagonist heroes. And these are of course Lego tools. So they try to attack him, he gets past them. The small crocodile comes and takes out the bridge, and our protagonist has to swing across. And finally, he has to face the final obstacle, which is this giant crocodile. And of course, this giant crocodile uses hydraulics to open and close its mouth. Snap shut. Now if you take a little closer look in here, you'll see the hydraulics basically the same. Just syringes to a tube, and all they have is water in them. So the value in all of this is what I'm trying to do is both create leaders who can think abstractly, use technology, and communicate both orally and in writing. And if they're able to do that and work in teams, then they should be able to create stories, use the technology in those stories, and basically have a completed project before it's all over. So that's really the value of what Digital Vision LLC has to offer. It will teach technology, it will teach leadership, it will teach teamwork, and you have something to show for your accomplishments. Thank you very much.